Okay, hello everyone. I hope you are having a great day. So this video is us apartment hunting for a new flat here in Muscat, Oman. So we are currently living here in Oman for like more than 3 years. It's almost 4 years of us living here, and we have rented so many different apartments in different areas that we sort of have a good idea of how the market works. But this time we wanted to explore all different areas. We wanted to see the parks and the schools and the commercial areas and what the supermarkets have a market situation looks like. So we really went dived into this apartment hunting journey like really deep. So I'm going to share everything here with you. We visited some really good flats, some not so good flats, some really terrible flats. So keep on watching, give this video a thumbs up, share this video if you know somebody who is currently trying to move here or trying to figure out the renting situation. This video can serve as an entertainment, as just like a really flop version of House Hunters if you are a fan of that show. Comment and what? Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to receive my videos. And now let's just go through the apartments and yes, see what the city Muscat has to offer. Okay, so here what was on our wish list. So the first thing that we wanted was a 2 BHK. The second thing that we were looking for was the budget, which was around 150 to 200 max. Like under it would be preferred. The third thing that we were looking for was a airy plus natural sunlight apartment. Like we wanted big windows, really good airflow. The fourth thing that we wanted was obviously not on the ground floor. Like ground floor was a big no-no. The next and apparently one of the most important thing was we were looking in a family area with amenities, Lulu, because I can't live without a Lulu. Okay, so this is my laptop and I've got all the footage inside. So we are going to go through and I will give you a little bit of preview about every flat to let you know better what was there from our wish list and what was missing and what exactly the rent was and things was. Flat number 1 that we saw was this one. So it was a really rainy day, really beautiful day, and this was in the area Ruwi. I have actually done an entire video covering the area Ruwi. I'm going to link that down below for you also. So this was a residential part of Ruwi and these were MUTTRAH residency apartments, and yes, they are really nice apartments. The entire buildings are family friendly buildings, like the families live here. There was car parking, separate pool, separate park for the residents, and the flat was currently under maintenance, so you can see a little bit of wear here and there, but the flat overall was really nice and the price was also really nice. So this one was for 180 for 1 BHK, and as I told you we were looking for 2 BHK, so this was really small and it has 1 bathroom and 1 powder room. The good thing was that it was semi-furnished and the kitchen was really big and really nice. It has a double door fridge, a 5 stove burner, a washing machine and everything, and an air condition in the kitchen, but it was really expensive. Now the next flat number 2 was this one. It was a really old building and it was a ground floor flat. It was not good. Like it was really bad. I did not film it. I didn't want to film it. And now jump on to the third flat. The third one was in this really nice Boucher central area. The flat was really nice. Like the kitchen was not really big, but the flat was really nice. It was a 2 BHK and it was around, I guess, 180 170 somewhere price range. It was a 2 BHK, so it has 2 full bathrooms, actually 3 full bathrooms this one had, and really big rooms and really big windows. Like everything was really nice, but the area was not family friendly. We saw a lot of bachelors living in the building, and that is just not preferred once you are living with your family. Now the apartment number 4 was this one. So this one was in the area Al Khair, which is the central area of Muscat. It's also the central commercial district of Muscat also. So this one was a converted official building, and there were really large, really deep, elongated windows in the apartment, and the kitchen was just terrible. Like it was a really old building. Everything was falling apart, everything was just really bad. So it was a complete pass, although this one was around, I guess, 150, maybe 160. But it was a terrible place. Apartment number 5 was this one. So this one was in the area Seeb, which is far away from the central area of Muscat, but it's a really nice family friendly area. And this was the apartment. This was again a 2 BHK apartment, and it was a really nice apartment, I must say. The layout was really boxy. It was again on the ground floor, but it was an elevated ground floor, so it felt like it was on first floor. Everything was really nice, but it was really far away from the center of Muscat. The school nearby was not the best, and the kitchen was really big. I really liked the kitchen, by the way. Like, it was really big. We had a very similar kitchen when we were in Salala, so that's the reason I really liked it. But overall, I think yes, it was again a pass. Really far away area, away from amenities. There was no Lulu nearby, which was a really sad thing. And again, ground floor apartment was just not on our wish list. Okay, so now this next apartment number 6, was in the area Amirat. Amirat has really nice flats at a really good price point. So this one was really near, like directly opposite to Lulu, but the rooms were really small. All the rooms were like size of a nursery room, and the layout was really nice. I think this flat was the best layout wise flat. But again, not suitable for us. It was on a really high elevation. The windows did not had any sort of like a protection or anything with the kids, so we were just not comfortable there. Then the flat number 7 was this one. One was again in Amirat, and this one was a brand new flat. I guess somebody did live inside before us, but the person lived for maybe like a couple of months only, so it was just brand new. The layout was really nice. There were 2 bedrooms, again 2 BHK with 2 bathrooms, and everything was really nice. The bathroom was really nice, I'll say. The system was really nice. It has an video intercom systems installed. It has all the safety measures installed, but the kitchen was again not big. It was a really small kitchen. The laundry area was again really small, and the flat was not facing the road, which meant that the direct sunlight wouldn't come in the morning and stuff, because the lounge was just closed off. So the third apartment in the same area was apartment number 8, was again in the area Amirat, and this apartment still has my heart. Honestly, like, I loved the layout. It was a really open layout. Like, you go inside the flats and the floors were really beautiful, sort of like a wooden tile sort of a effect. The doors were really beautiful. The rooms were really nice. The rooms were small but really nice. Again 2 BHK. The kitchen was just the right size, but there was no place to put the fridge, which meant that you would put your fridge outside somewhere, which was just not the ideal situation with a child. And now apartment number 9. This apartment was in the area Darset, which is a really nice area, sort of like Wadi Kabir, Ruwi area sort of a place. This one was again a 1 BHK. The other bathroom was really, basically they made a bathroom out of a closet. Like, it was just a joke. It was facing a mountain. The kitchen was nice, I'll say. Like, the kitchen was not big, but it was nice. Like, it has a lot of cabinetry. But there was a lot of cockroaches, which made us feel like, there is some infestation, sort of like some bugs kind of a problem. But the room had the best view. Like, it was 1 bedroom, and the bedroom had this view of sea view. It was so pretty. One of the major downside of this apartment was it was on a really steep road, like really steep road, which was really dangerous with a baby. If you were working with a pram and a stroller, it can be a really big hazard. So yes, that were okay. So I just realized that I'm missing footage from a bunch of apartments that we visited. I think there were 2 to 3 more apartments that we visited. I can remember there was one apartment that we were not allowed to film. But anyways, guys, those apartments were again very similar apartments in different areas. But anyways, any guesses which apartment we chose? Like, any guesses? If you have any guesses, pause this video right now, comment down below. If you guessed it right, I might give you a mention in my next video. Maybe if you guess it right, I will give you a mention in my next video. Why not? That's going to happen for sure. Make sure to comment down below what do you think. I don't know how many times I'm going to repeat it. I'm just really sad that I lost some of the footage. Anyways, coming back to the point. spoiler alert, we did not choose any apartment. We did not moved. I think moving is a very hectic, very time consuming, and is a very expensive way, because the movers take a lot of money. You need to hire a Omani car, and then somewhere to load your stuff. And we have done this a couple of times. We know how expensive and how energy consuming the whole process is, so we did not do it. We were just not in urgent need of doing that. And basically the main reason was that a renter, the person who rents us this apartment, like the builder, whoever that person is, actually did reduce the rent of the flat that we are currently living in. So he then gave us a really good discount, because apparently the rent market is really down, and he just didn't wanted us to leave the apartment. We are really good people to rent the apartment. Yes, really proud of that. Anyways, we did not move. We are staying here for I don't know how long, and we're really happy. Our kid sort of like grew in this apartment, so he feels at home in this apartment. We have got a lot of amenities nearby, so I'm not sad about it. And yes, that's all for this video. I am actually planning on making an entire video on lifestyle in Muscat, maybe more about renting situation and how apartments sort of like rent and agreement, like rental agreements and all of that works. But I need to talk to my husband before all of that. So if you're interested in that, make sure to comment down below, let me know. I will make that video for you for sure. And if you want to watch any other video, make sure to click on any other video over here. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe it here and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you guys next time. Make sure to stay tuned for more of my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.